Okay, class, let me continue with the next code. I have commented the selection 2 code and created one more file called selection 3. Now in this program we'll try to create nested if else statement code. So nested if else statement, and here I want to write a code where we want to withdraw balance. Okay, so sorry, we want to withdraw amount from the account. So program to withdraw money from ATM. Let's write money from ATM. Okay, so include IOStream using namespace std. Our main function is started. Okay, now here we want to withdraw amount. Okay, so initially we have set the balance, like the balance should be something there in our account, then only we can withdraw some amount, right? So we have written amount as a variable and balance. Already we have given that, okay, 10,000 is balance of my account. Now we'll read from the user, enter amount to withdraw. Now the amount we can read. So first we have to check that if amount is less than or equals balance, because you cannot withdraw 20,000 from your account if your balance is 10,000 only, right? So our first condition is if amount is less than or equals to balance. If this condition is true, then we want that it should be divisible by 100. Okay, the amount whatever you want to withdraw, that should be divisible by 100. So here we have used modulus operator. So this operator gives us a reminder. So if your amount can be divided by 100, means the remainder will be 0. So if your amount can be divided by 100, then remainder is 0. Then we want that, okay, until the amount is withdrawn. Okay, but if the amount is not divisible by 100, then we will say that amount is not withdrawn. Okay, so this is how we can write our code. Now while we are writing a code, that's up to us how we want to define it. I mean, what should be the logic of our code. For example, look at here. If I'll complete the code here only, then also it will okay, right? But I want to like execute that, okay, if the amount is not less than balance, then I want to give a message. Then so I can write a else statement that insufficient balance. Okay, so that's up to you how we want to write our code. Okay, so that logic completely depends on your requirement. What is your requirement? Which type of code or how you want to write a code? It depends on it. Okay, so we are writing the condition, first condition. If this condition is true, then I want to verify this condition. If this condition is true, then this statement I want to execute, else I want to execute this statement. And if the first condition is false, then I want to execute the else part. Okay, so that is up to us how we want to design our code. And this is a perfect example where we have used a nested if statement. Can run your code. You can enter the amount and verify that whether your code is working properly or not. So for example, let's say I am going to enter 25,000. Okay, so here the amount is less than or equals to balance. The statement is incorrect, so it will directly going to execute its else part, and it will give me a message that insufficient balance. Okay, and can verify, you can verify for further conditions. Thank you.